If you've been hurt at work, you may want to consider getting a workers' compensation lawyer so you don't get ripped off by the adjuster. My name is Paige Sparks. I'm an employment lawyer. I don't do workers' comp claims, but I do workers' comp retaliation claims, and I see this happen a lot. Someone will not get a lawyer, they represent themselves through the process, their claims get denied, or they don't get the full value of their claim because they don't know what to ask for. Workers' comp cases can be complicated if you have a complex injury and you have projected future damages. These lawyers work on contingencies, so you pay nothing up front and they get paid out of a portion of the settlement. A lawyer can help you understand your rights and make sure you're getting the maximum coverage for whatever your injury is, especially if you have future projected treatment that you're going to need medical care for more than just a one-time thing. The lawyers will also negotiate a settlement for you so you don't have to deal with the adjuster, or if you need treatment that they won't approve, like an MRI they won't approve, the lawyer can help fight for you and tell the administrative law judge, hey, they need this extra treatment and they're refusing to provide it. You don't have to have a lawyer to do your workers' comp claim, but it definitely helps the process. I had this happen recently with a case I referred to a local friend of mine who's a lawyer that does workers' comp, where the person that was injured did not report the injury right away because it was construction. They were friends with the owner and they were going to work out a deal where the owner was going to pay money out of pocket for the coverage and they thought it would all be good. Well, of course, it never works out that way, and they want to delay you from filing the complaint because that's how they can use it as a reason to deny the claim if you wait too long to report it. So for this example, the poor guy waited too long to report it, had to hire my friend, and then they had to get the claim filed. And then the work comp lawyer had to deal with the claim being disputed instead of it could have just started day one and been a much easier process. Having a workers' comp attorney can also help you look for third-party liability for injuries. So if the reason you were injured was actually someone else's fault, whether it's a design flaw or they didn't do something correctly, having a lawyer can help you get benefits from that as well as a potential recovery from more than one claim. For example, the one I was just talking about, this person fell from some scaffolding that wasn't properly assembled. Not only can you sue for the workers' comp, but you can sue the third party for their negligence too. Workers' comp varies by state, so always check with the lawyer in your state and let me know if you have any questions in the comments.